I need to fix this. So I found a piece of wood that would fit in here. It's just, I think, an old broomstick or might be a mop stick, but it doesn't fit inside. It's a bit wider. I just need to shave a bit off, make it thinner, and then it will fit in here and also in here. Too wide. I need to shave a bit off. Vacuuming the hammer from the bottom here, it was able to go all the way in. That's the bit of wood in there. So it has a good amount of wood, about this long in here. It's really sturdy and hard. You can see the wood in there. So I've sanded off the rust as much as I could and wiped it off. And right now I'm just going to spray a coat of lacquer, let it dry, and then put a second coat. So I've been using this garden hoe for about a week now. What I found was the bottom part, the foot would wobble this way and this way when I use it. The reason being was the wood in here isn't covering the entire area in the inside, and because of that it was wobbling. What I did was the part that would move this way, I found where there was a hollow area between the wood and the metal part. All I did was I knocked the nail inside with a hammer, and that kept it from moving like this. And where it would move this way, there was space between the wood and the metal piece, and I just knocked another nail in there, and right now it is not moving. It is very firmly set in here. And doggies, there's my doggy. I'm actually very happy using it. I've been using it for 5 days now, and it has not budged. It works really well. What I don't like is this rusty look. It has this shiny rusty look after I sprayed lacquer on top. So what I'm gonna do is spray paint it black and just pretty it up. So let's get that done.